Hello guys, and thanks for watching DIY Artist Hacks. The hacks in this video are very cheap, or can be made from everyday household items. Hello guys, and thank you for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the dents in a painted or unpainted canvas. So let's get started. Ever get those annoying dents in your painting that you've just completed? If you're an artist, you understand what I'm saying. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you a quick hack that will solve all of your problems. What you're going to need for this hack is a heated craft tool or hair dryer and a spray bottle. Start by holding up your canvas upright or leaning it against a surface. Take your spray bottle and gently spray just enough water on the back of your canvas, only on the area of the dent that you want to remove. Only spray enough just to dampen it. Use your hair dryer or heated tool to dry the area you just sprayed. Only use this for a few seconds at a time, as the hot temperature causes bubbles to form on the surface of your painting. This technique is nice and safe when done slowly and carefully. It's also effective as the canvas is made up of fibers that expand and tighten when exposed to water at extreme temperatures. There, all your dents should be removed, and you're ready to sell that painting. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY artist hacks. Bye!